हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू गवर्नमेंट जॉब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, मैं इस वीडियो में आपके लिए चैन से फैब के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जनरल अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चन लेकर आया हूँ। ये क्वेश्चन सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आपके एग्ज़ाम में आ सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों, इस चैनल पे अगर आप पहली बार विज़िट कर रहे हैं तो इस चैनल को जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं हमारे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। नीति आयोग released second edition of SDG Sustainable Development Goals India Index. Which state topped the index? Answer is Kerala. Bihar last. Next. RBI launched which mobile app to help visually challenged people to identify currency note? Answer is Money. Mobile aided note identifier app. Next. Khelo India Youth Games 2020 held in which city? Answer is Guwahati, Assam. CEO of Khelo India Games is Avinash Joshi. Next. ISRO will set up second launch port for small satellite launch vehicle in which place? Answer is Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. India first manned mission to outer space, Gaganyaan, to be launched by 2022. Which city topped the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 in cleanliness? Answer is Indore. Jamshedpur topped cleanliness in cities with 1 to 10 lakh population. Kolkata was the worst performer. Next, world largest cricket stadium is located in which city? Answer is Ahmedabad. Motera Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Capacity 1.1 lakh people. Next, who is India's first Chief of Defence Staff (CDS)? And your answer is Bipin Rawat. Tenure 3 years. Next, first Khelo India University Games held in which city? Your answer is KIT University, Bhubaneswar. More than 100 universities participated in this university games. Next, RBI granted in principle approval to which cooperative bank for transition into a small finance bank? Answer is Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank Limited, headquartered in Saharanpur, UP. Next question. Census exercise India 2021 to begin from which month? Answer is 1st April 2020 to 30th September 2020. Census to be conducted through a mobile application. Next, World Bank's Global Economic Prospect Report project India growth rate for financial year 2020 and dash for financial year 2021. Answer is 5% for financial year 2020 and 5.8% for financial year 2021. Next, SBI report EcoRap lowers India growth rate to dash for financial year 2020. Answer is 4.6%. Next, Amazon to invest dash to help digitize small business in India. Answer is $1 billion. Next, Government of India and World Bank signed $88 million loan agreement for inland water transport project in which state? Answer is Assam. 58th World Economic Forum meeting 2020 held in Davos, Switzerland. Theme of this World Economic Meeting was Stakeholder for Cohesive and Sustainable World. Next question. Who received Crystal Award for Mental Health Awareness as WEF 2020? Answer is Deepika Padukone. Next. Who was the chief guest at this year's 21st Republic Day of India? Answer is Jair Bolsonaro, Brazil president. Next. IMF has projected India's growth rate to dash for financial year 2020 and dash for financial year 2021. Answer is 5.8% for financial year 2020 and 6.5% for financial year 2021. MD of IMF is Kristalina Georgieva. Headquarters of IMF is in Washington DC, USA. Next. UN projected India GDP growth rate to dash for financial year 2020 to 2021 and dash for financial year 2001 to 2022. Answer is 6.6% and 6.3%. Next. Which banks launches cashless cash withdrawal via ATM through iMobile app? Answer is ICC Bank. Per day transaction limit is 20,000 rupees. Next. India's first Mahatma Gandhi convention opened in. Answer is Niger. Capital Niamey. Next. Name of the half-humanoid robot ISRO unveiled for Gaganyaan space mission. Answer is Vyomitra, friend in the sky. Next. RBI cancels certification of authorization of which mobile payment service app? Answer is Vodafone M-Pesa. Next. India first e-waste clinic open in which city? Answer is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Next. India's first super fab lab that offer digital fabrication open in which city? Answer is Kochi, Kerala. Next. Indian Railways first waste to energy plant commissioned at which city? Answer is Bhubaneswar. Next question is RBI imposed penalty of rupees 1 crore for non-compliance of KYC norms on which bank? Answer is HDFC Bank. Next question is which company announced $1 million grant for promoting news literacy in India? Answer is Google. Next. Which state of India tops in sustainable growth goals according to UN Development Program? Answer is Telangana. Next. Name the newly appointed chairman of CBIC Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Answer is M. Ajit Kumar. Next. To give protection to depositor, RBI has increased the insurance cover on bank deposit from 1 lakh to. Answer is 5 lakh. Next. NASA astronaut who returns to Earth after the record longest stay in International Space Station is. Answer is Christina Koch. A stay of 328 days. Next. RBI set to conduct Financial Literacy Week from Feb 10 to 14, 2020. The theme is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Next. Who has won the Banker magazine's Central Banker of the Year 2020 Asia Pacific? Answer is Shaktikant Das, RBI Governor. Next. According to Union Budget 2020, the income of farmers is expected to get double in the year. Answer is 2022. Next, according to Union Budget 2020, what is the inflow of FDI from 2014 to 2019? Answer is $284 billion. Next, how much budget has been allocated for agriculture and rural development? Answer is 2.83 lakh crore. Next, what is the rank of India in World Bank Ease of Doing Business 2020? Answer is 63rd. Next, Indian women's team's captain became the first ever hockey player worldwide to win the prestigious World Games Athlete of the Year Award 2019. Answer is Rani Rampal. Next, who defeated Australian Dominic Thiem in the men's singles final to win the Australian Open title? Answer is Novak Djokovic. Next, the 11th edition of the biennial Mega Defense Exhibition DEF Expo 2020 is scheduled to be held at. Answer is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and the theme is India, the Emerging Defense Manufacturing Hub. Next, the Indian Olympic Association has invited whom to become the Goodwill Ambassador of the Indian contingent at the Tokyo Olympics? Answer is Saurav Ganguly, BCCI President. The next question is, what is the India's rank among the largest steel producer of crude steel as per World Steel Association data? Answer is second. Next question. The Pink City has been certified by the Union Nation Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO as the World Heritage Site. Name the city which is known as the Pink City in India. The answer is Jaipur. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that the government is targeting defense export of dash in the next 5 years. The answer is $5 billion. Next, the under-19 cricket team of which country defeated India under-19 team in the finals to win the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2020 held in South Africa? The answer is Bangladesh. Next question. In which of the following city India's first glass floor suspension bridge to be built? Answer is Rishikesh. Next question. Which bank has bagged the award in the most customer-centric bank using the technology category at the Banking Technology 2019 awards instituted by the Indian Banks Association? The answer is South Indian Bank. Next, which bank has topped the list of highest increase in brand value among global banks in the Bankers Top 500 Banking Brands 2020 report? Answer is Indus IND Bank. Next, which state UT will host inaugural Khelo India Winter Games 2020? Answer is Ladakh. Next question. Market regulator SEBI has constituted a municipal bond development committee. This committee will be headed by. The answer is Sujit Prasad. Next, The government of India has signed how much loan agreement with the World Bank, and the loan agreement aims to support the national program Atal Bhujal Yojana? The answer is $450 million. Next, name the Indian airport which has been certified by the CIITC Center of Excellence for Sustainable Development as India's first single-use plastic-free airport. Answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Next, which state government signed an MOU with the State Bank of India to facilitate approval of loans to entrepreneurs in the MSME sector with ease? Answer is Gujarat. Next question. India will be switched to the world's cleanest petrol and diesel from? Answer is 1st April 2020. Next, who has been appointed as the new Central Vigilance Commissioner by a high power committee headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Sanjay Kothari. Next question is, name the player who has become the first player in the cricketing world to play 100 match in all the three formats of the game. The answer is Ross Taylor. Next, the Indian Railway recently launched Hindi version of artificial intelligence based chatbot called? Answer is Ask Disha. Next question. Which organization has permitted the market player to use regulatory sandbox on selected customers? Answer is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Next question is, name the bank which has partnered with the Microsoft to train differently able people to find jobs in the banking, financial services and insurance BFSI sector. The answer is State Bank of India SBI. Next question. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD has sanctioned how much amount to the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is 400 crore rupees. Next question. India and Dash has finalized defense deal of worth $3 billion. Answer is USA. Next question. Which country will host the Commonwealth Shooting and Archery Championship in January 2022? The answer is India. Next question. Name the organization which has launched an industry campaign named UPI Chalega to promote UPI as easy, safe and instant mode of payment. The answer is National Payment Corporation of India. Name the financial organization which has raised rupees 850 crore from a new issue of offshore Indian rupees linked 10-year bonds. The answer is Asian Development Bank. Next question. Name the country which has rejoined the Commonwealth after its exit in 2016 and has become the 54th member of global body. Answer is Maldives. Next question. Name the Indian para-athlete who has been elected as President of Para-Olympic Committee of India. Answer is Deepa Malik. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved Amendment to Banking Regulation Act to empower Reserve Bank of India to have better control over urban cooperative banks and? Answer is multi-state cooperative banks. Next, the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority has decided to increase the minimum net worth criterion for pension fund managers from 25 crore to? The answer is 50 crore. Next question. Hunar Haat, a mega mission of economic empowerment of needy master artisans and craftsmen was recently inaugurated at? Answer is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Name the movie which has won the Best Picture award in Oscar Award 2020. Answer is Parasite. Next question. The chief national coach for the Indian badminton team honors with Coach's Lifetime Achievement Award by International Olympic Committee. The answer is Purella Gopichand. Next, National Conference on E-Governments 2020 was held in? Answer is Mumbai. Next, in which country the 30th edition of the African Union Summit was held? Answer is Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Next question. National Institute of Financial Management, Faridabad will be renamed as dash institutional. National Institute of Financial Management, Faridabad will be renamed as dash National Institute of Financial Management. Answer is Arun Jaitley National Institute of Financial Management. तो दोस्तों ये थे जनवरी और फरवरी के टॉप मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट जनरल अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चन। तो दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।